All right, are you all ready to proceed on the motion?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
Okay. All right, court is calling 2023 CR 9222W State versus Joe Gonzalez IV. Can I have parties announced?
For the break, state.
Jose Rocha for Joe Gonzalez, and we're ready, Your Honor.
All right, and are you Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Joe Gonzalez IV who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 9222W for the offense of theft less than $2,500 with 2 or more previous convictions on October 13, 2023 for a term of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
Judge, you're proceeding on a violation of condition number 2, specifically that on or about the 17th day of October 2025, Berry County, Texas, the defendant, Joe Gonzalez IV, did then and there failed to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer or supervision officer and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Not true.
Okay.
Judge will also be proceeding on a violation of condition number 2, specifically that on or about the 6th day of November 2025 in Berry County, Texas, the defendant, Joe Gonzalez IV, did then there failed to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer or supervision officer and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Not true.
All right.
Judge will also be proceeding on a violation of condition number 4, specifically that in Berry County, Texas, the defendant, Joe Gonzalez IV, did then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January and February 2026 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Not true.
Okay.
And lastly, judge will be proceeding on a violation of condition number 4, specifically that in Berry County, Texas, the defendant, Joe Gonzalez IV, did then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the month of December 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that?
Not true.
All right. State, are you able to have your witness here?
Judge, I don't believe so. I think we have.
Well, why don't you call somebody on the phone?
Judge, my belief was that this is going to be.
All right, just call somebody on the phone.
Okay.
Yes, and let's see, and then we'll take this matter up.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Gonzalez the fourth, could I have parties re-announce?
Brandon Prada for the state.
Jose Rocha for Joe Gonzalez, ready, Your Honor.
All right, with regards to the motion to revoke, Officer Savalas, the defendant has pled not true to each allegation. Defense, any objection to the witness appearing by Zoom?
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. Good morning, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Can you state your name for the records?
There's Ceballos?
All right, can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, you can lower your hand. And could you spell your last name for the record, for the court reporter?
Yes, it's Cevallos.
All right, state, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. Officer Ceballos, how are you currently employed?
Yes.
How are you currently employed?
I'm sorry, I can barely hear you.
Does he have, yes.
Yeah, I have a plug now. Thank you.
I
Can you hear me now?
apologize.
That's okay. Officer Ceballos, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
Okay. How are you currently employed, ma'am?
I'm currently employed with the Berry County CSCD Department,
Okay, and CSCG, what is that?
Community Service and Corrections Department.
More colloquially known as probation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Officer Ceballos, how long have you worked with probation?
I've worked for about 4 years.
Okay, and are you currently assigned the probation file for a Joe Gonzalez IV?
Yes.
Okay, and are you in charge of that file?
Yes.
Do you have access to that file?
Yes.
Okay, are you a custodian of record for that file?
Can you define custodian of record?
Since you have access to it, you add to it, you're in charge of its storage and care, are you custodian of the file?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And is that file made in the ordinary course of business of the Berry County Probation Office?
Yes.
Okay. Are the things that are put in there made by someone with knowledge?
Yes.
Okay. So let me ask you, Officer Ceballos, what are the two conditions, condition number 2 and condition number 4 that are read to all probationers?
Condition number 2 prohibits the probationer from consuming any illegal substances, alcoholic beverage, and also asks the probationer to submit drug tests as instructed by the community supervision officer. And condition number 4 also instructs the probationer to report as instructed by their community supervision officer.
Oh, okay. And to your knowledge, are those conditions regularly read to all probationers that are put on probation?
Yes,
Okay. Is there a record in your file that shows that Mr. Joe Gonzalez IV was read these conditions?
yes,
Okay. Did he sign that?
yes.
Okay. So let's move on to. So when someone submits to drug testing, is there a record put into the file saying that they submitted to drug testing?
Yes,
Are there records missing in regards to Mr. Joe Gonzalez?
yes.
Okay, what are those records that are missing?
So he failed to submit drug tests as instructed, I believe I'm sorry, I don't have the actual date in front of me, but for the month of October and November.
Okay. And what about condition number 4? Remind me again, what is that?
Condition number 4 instructs the probationer to report as instructed by their community supervision officer.
Okay. And are there records missing in regards to Mr. Joe Gonzalez IV regarding condition number 4?
Yes, he did fail to report as instructed for the month of December 2025, January 2026, and February 2026.
Okay. And those records would be made if Joe Gonzalez IV actually attended those meetings or submitted drug testing, right?
Correct.
And those records are missing?
Yes,
So that would indicate to you that he failed to submit to drug testing and he failed to report during those months?
correct.
Okay. Thank you so much, Officer Ceballos. We'll pass the witness.
You're-
Defense?
Thank you. Officer Ceballos, can you hear me?
Yes, I can barely hear you.
Is this better?
Yes, that's better.
Okay.
Mhm.
Ms. Ceballos, in those records, do you also have call logs?
Call logs as in them calling us or?
Yes, as in the probationer calling you, letting you know that there's been an issue with being able to make it to your 20 testing.
No, he did not communicate that. I don't have a call log for that.
Okay, but you do have a call log, right?
I'm sorry?
You do have a call log in your file.
A call log of him calling me for not being able to make it?
Any call log. So if somebody contacts your office, would you have that information in your records?
Yes,
Whether it be the probationer or another police officer, for example.
correct.
Okay. And do you have any of those calls logged in your records?
No,
Can a probationer check in with you for the month through the phone?
no.
How is it that they need to be checking in?
He needs to be checking in face-to-face contact here at the probation building.
And if something happens, do you contact the probationer?
If something happens in regards to what?
And it's in regards to the reporting period.
Yes,
If is he scheduled on a certain date?
yes.
What was that date for the month of October?
For the month of October, give me 1 second. So it's my understanding he did not report for the month of November.
Okay, but my question is whether
Oh.
when did he report in October?
Oh, in October? I don't have access to that right now.
Okay, so do you have access for it for November?
I don't.
Okay, how about January?
So for January, he did not report.
Do you have access for January?
Yes, in the case file, there would be access.
Okay, and do you have access for February?
Yes,
Do you have access for December?
yes.
Okay, but you're missing October and November?
I am missing December, January, and February. December
Okay.
2025, January 2026, and February 2026.
Just so that we're clear, Ms. Ceballos, you said that you do not have access to check on which day he was to report in October, correct?
I do have access to the case.
But not that particular piece of information, right?
What particular piece?
The one that you said that you didn't have access to. On which day was he supposed to be reporting?
December, January, and February.
Which day of the month of October was he supposed to be reporting?
Give me 1 second. Let me check. So for October, he reported October 17th of 2025.
Okay, so now you do have access to that, correct?
I do have access, correct?
And on that, in October, did he drug test for you?
For October, he did not.
Did you ask him to drug test?
Yes.
Okay, and why was he not offered a drug test in October?
He was instructed to submit a drug test in October.
Okay, the same day that he went to go and check in with you, right?
Correct.
And he did check in with you, right?
Correct.
So then where is the test, the drug test for October when he was in your office?
So we don't conduct drug tests in the office,
Okay, where are the drug tests conducted?
at the drug lab.
Okay, where is the drug lab?
It's Recovery Monitoring Solutions.
How far away is it from the probation department?
It's about a 5-minute commute,
Okay, walking or driving?
driving.
Okay, and he had a appointment at the drug lab that particular day, correct?
Correct.
And for the month of November, is he normally checking in on the same day or around the same time?
Yes.
Okay. And prior to that, for the prior 2 years, did he always check in person?
I'm sorry, did you say for the past 2 years?
Yes.
I was not his supervision officer for the past 2 years.
When did you become his supervision officer?
I became his supervision officer May of 2025.
So from the month of May until December, every single time that he checked in with you, it was in person? Or not?
Correct. Correct.
He couldn't have just called you and said, hey, I'm checking in with you.
He cannot.
Pass the witness, Your Honor.
Very quick, redirect judge. Officer Ceballos, for the drug tests that were missed in the month of October, November, and the failed to report for January, February, and December, was there any call, email, text message, anything like that from Mr. Gonzalez giving a reason as to why he missed the appointments?
Yes, he was informed of his failure to report, and he was provided with a rescheduled appointment. I sent a letter and I also sent a text message to the probationer.
Okay. Did he, from looking at the file, did he ever attend those rescheduled appointments?
No, sir.
Okay, so no reason was given as to why he missed these appointments.
Correct.
Thank you. Pass witness, Judge.
Any further questions?
No further redirect.
Any other witnesses?
No, Judge, state rest.
No
Any
witnesses,
witnesses?
Your Honor.
All right. The court is finding violations 2, 2, and 4, and 4 true. The court is going to grant the motion, find you guilty, revoke. I'll hear argument as to what both parties are requesting.
Thank you, Officer Ceballos.
Judge.
Thank you.
I'll reserve for a moment.
Yes, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, my client would like for you to reinstate him into probation. He has been doing his classes. He has completed SATF. He has been making payments. We had this hiccup of reporting and the rescheduling. My client still to this day sustains that he was in contact with the probation office. He did call. He was making sure that he was on top of things. And what he's looking for today, Your Honor, is for him to be able to be reinstated and follow any conditions that this court might feel that it would
This
be
isn't his
best.
first motion to revoke.
That is correct, Your Honor. This is the third motion to revoke.
Okay. All right, what are you asking for, state?
Judge, we're gonna be asking for the maximum 2 years state jail. The reasoning for this is that this is the third NCR. He has stretched the patience of the court and everyone else around to its limits. And he has been.
Oh, well, he hasn't stretched my
Of
patience.
course,
I'm,
Yeah,
I'm here to listen to whatever information people bring to me.
and he's been. His third NTR. With no call, no show for 3 months, and he failed to submit the drug testing before that. And because of that, Judge, we're gonna ask for 2 years state jail.
All right, court is gonna sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served, credit for any inpatient treatment. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. And I'll ask for the therapeutic community. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? Yes or no?
Yes.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you. Thank you for appearing by Zoom on short notice. CLO Savalas. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you. You too.
All right,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Your Honor,
you.
may I
you.
be
Bye-bye.
excused?
Yes, thank you. All right, court is going on recess. It's 12 o'clock. And we will be back at 2.